The Genesis combines the advantages of the three existing types of washing machines into one ultra-efficient and powerful machine. A revolutionary breakthrough in washing technology. May 2004, Haier Genesis wins the prestigious Gold Award at the 95th French Rapine International Inventing Exposition. May 2006, Haier Genesis meets the standards for the 2007 Energy Star Awards, sponsored by the EPA. Advanced double drive technology, no agitator. Reverse rotation of the inner drum and the pulsator generate turbulent water flow. The extra vigorous flow of water provides efficient and effective washing. No agitator. The pulsator is gentle on clothes. The inner tub has agitation paddles instead of a traditional agitator. Improved cycle efficiency. Haier Genesis. Independent tests prove Genesis has the best at washability over all leading brands. Higher washability rate, 59.01. Average washability rate of other washers, 40 to 44. Genesis washability rate, 40% better. Haier Genesis provides better wash results every time. When you take a shower, it's easy to rinse off the soap. Showers consume little water and are very efficient. Baths rinse off the soap too, but they use twice as much water as a shower. Haier Genesis uses advanced shower rinse technology to give your clothes the ultimate rinse. Rinsing and spinning are combined at high speeds. Dynamic water flow rinses fabrics, removing soil and detergent. Water consumption, 50% less than ordinary washers. Energy use under Energy Star qualification standards. Haier Genesis, more energy efficient than ordinary washers. Time passes. Technology advances. Haier Genesis technology, created for the most efficient and effective performance. Synchronized shower and spinning for the fastest cleaning. The entire wash cycle is only 42 minutes. Top-rated washability. Saves time, saves energy, saves water. Haier Genesis, the next generation of home laundering.